Hello from Slovenia again. I will play with this colander today. It's a small colander that I will use as something that I want to see what will happen. I will layer my paints into the cup and then I will just try to pour it over this. And my colors are phthalo blue, permanent red violet, both Amsterdam, my pearl white mixture for maybe some lacing effects, something, primary yellow by Amsterdam, and metallic green by Amsterdam. And I will repeat the process. Okie doke. So let's flip that. And remove. Okay. I will just put my stick into the holes and try to lift this carefully. Very interesting. So I will pour some pearl white for my flow extender. It can create some cells or lacing, but I hope it will be okay. Just to lay down my canvas. I need some paint here, so I will add just a little more. And while we are wait for a second, I will just take you down to show you some details. So cool. I really hope that it will spin out nice too, because she's cool. Let's do one slow spin. I don't want to add paint here into this part because it will not, you know, work. I want to spin more this, so I will just try to put my canvas on one side more than on another. Let's see how this will dry. I will take you down for a close-up. I have to say that this was interesting experiment, but I don't know what to think about painting. Definitely interesting. With some gorgeous details and all kind of creatures. But still, I don't know. And the reaction for pearl white, of course. There is like a windows, and in every window is somebody. I see somebody here, a duck or an eagle. Here I see an eagle or whatever. Here I see somebody. So interesting. Is anybody in there? I don't know. Let's leave this to dry, shall we? But definitely I want you to share what you think about this painting. So here she is, almost dry, a little wet. Here in the middle, but mostly dry. It was a fun experiment, but I'm not sure what to think about this painting. It has really interesting details and parts. See this kind of windows that I said. And I kind of like it from the distance, but I don't know. It's like a chaos in space or something. But it was fun to experiment. I love to experiment. See, from here I really like it. So yeah. So this was it for today. Tell me what you think about it. If you maybe saw things that I can do differently and try again. But it's cool, isn't it? Anyhow, have a nice weekend. Thanks for being here. And see you again on Monday. My peacocks. You hear them? Bye.